والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد. Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I want to speak on the topic of importance of English language for Dawah purpose. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِن رَسُولٍ إِلَّا بِلِسَانِ قَوْمِهِ لِيُبَيِّنَ لَهُمْ فَيُضِلُّ اللَّهُ مَن يَشَاءُ وَيَهْدِي مَن يَشَاءُ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ. We did not send any messenger but speaking in the language of his people, so that he might clearly convey the message to them. So Allah lets go astray whom he wills, and lets find guidance whom he wills, and he is the mighty, the wise. My dear friends, language is the means of communication for people. From this viewpoint, every language has its own importance. It can be used to convey a message to the speakers of particular language. But if any language secures international status, it grows more significant, since it will have a vast perspective for any activity to be carried out through that medium. In the recent age, we see that English language is spreading throughout the world. It has become internationally popular language. People around the world are not only accustomed to using the language, rather they feel proud of using it. They pay attentive ear and respectful look to those who speak English. So it's not only a medium of communication, rather it leaves a lot of effects and impacts over people. My dear friends, on the other hand, English is the language of science and technology. The language of major international media is English. The anti-Islamic elements spread many misconceptions about Islam and Muslims through this language. Therefore, no doubt learning English is very useful. We should learn this language due to its importance. We should use it as source to defend Islam and Muslims. It's not only allowed to learn this language, rather it's a kind of hikmah which Allah ordered to apply in the words, ادعو إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين. Invite the people to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good counsel, and argue with them in the best of manners. Surely your Lord knows best the ones who deviate from his way, and he knows best the ones who are on the right path. My dear friends, Islam allows using every lawful means. It doesn't forbid learning a language for good reasons, as no evil lies in a language. Rather, it's a kind of sunnah to learn a new language to defend Islam and Muslims. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was reported to have asked Hazrat Zayd bin Thabit radiyallahu anhu to learn Syriac language, as he did not trust the Jews who used to communicate him in this very language. That's why all great ulama, from Shah Abdul Aziz Muhaddith Dehravi rahmatullah alayh, and Maulana Abdul Hayy Firangi Mahalli rahmatullah alayh, down to Maulana Rashid Ahmad Gangohi rahmatullah alayh, and Maulana Ashraf Ali Thanvi rahmatullah alayh, have endorsed learning English as language. And how can they deny this natural phenomenon and fact that Allah sent down countless prophets and messengers at different times and places? These prophets invited the people to Allah in the language the people understood. As the verse I recited in the beginning says, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِن رَسُولٍ إِلَّا بِلِسَانِ قَوْمِهِ لِيُبَيِّنَ لَهُمْ فَيُضِلُّ اللَّهُ مَن يَشَاءُ وَيَهْدِي مَن يَشَاءُ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ. We did not send any messenger but speaking in the language of his people, so that he might clearly convey the message to them. So Allah lets go astray whom he wills, and lets find guidance whom he wills, and he is the mighty, the wise. Here I end up my speech. Thank you very much for giving me this beautiful opportunity, and have a good day. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.